Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use Instagram on a desktop on your computer, and as well how to integrate other media with Instagram to help the students learn and use other tools as well. So you can, first of all, you can use Instagram on your desktop, which I do prefer, especially for direct messaging. I just prefer typing rather than on your phone. It's a lot quicker on the desktop and a lot easier. And so to do that, you just have to go to Instagram.com online and then log in with your emails and passwords and so on. Yeah, so I've already done that here, and this is the fake Instagram account that me and Jess have been using to demonstrate how to use Instagram. So it's got the feed that you would have. You can't upload things on the desktop, so you can't upload images and do stories and things like that Jess showed you in the other video, and so you kind of need to use both, but in terms of direct message, it's perfect for it's getting me to log on again. Okay, I will just do that. This is a fake email. I can't remember now. There you go. I've logged in again. Okay, so perfect. So that's all sorted. Okay, so if you go to the top right, you can see the paper aeroplane and for the logo for direct messages. So here's that conversation that you saw with Jess the other day. Okay, and so what you can do, okay, is again, as you can see on the right, I have my Google Forms, so the lessons that I've created, and I can send this lesson directly to the student. So there's no messing, and the advantage is it takes the amount of steps down from the student. So what will happen is the student will get a notification on the phone. They can press on the notification, takes them directly to the message, or they just click on the link and it takes them straight to the lesson. So that's two steps, and it's something that is quite natural now for a lot of people, and so it's not too difficult. It doesn't take a lot to teach, and definitely a lot of young people already know how to do this. So just click on the send, and then you see this chain icon that's got the link, and you can just click there and it'll copy it for you, or you can even shorten the URL as well for some reason. Just copy that and send it to the student, and I'll show you. Might be a little small. Let's come straight to my to the account, and I click on that, and it's just loading, and there is the lesson, everything that I wanted. Okay, sorted. So there you go, nice and easy. And you could even you can even do it with Padlet as well. You could send the link for Padlet. Okay, so that's okay. So I just had to figure this out. But the way to copy the link for Padlet, okay, is you click on you click on this little cog, which is the usual symbol for settings, and sorry, there you go. You don't want to click on that. You want to click on the arrow, and that'll come up, and you've got even a QR code you can, or copy link to clipboard. That's copied, okay, and then I can send that to the student. Okay, and there's a link there, and then what I'll do is I'll open it on my phone. So I'm the student now. Okay, I've got clicked on the link. It's taking me right there. Okay, and I'll just add title, hello teacher. Okay, hello teacher, and I'll even upload a photo. Okay, and it's uploading a photo now. Let's see how quick that can do, but there you go. So this should arrive soon. And there you go, there I am, sorted. And so it's just a great way of just kind of reducing the the lag that can come with email and things like that, and the confusion that can come around those kind of things. And so yeah, Instagram is a great way of just communicating with your students, just the efficiency of it all, especially the fact that they get a notification on their phone. It's a software, it's something that they're very familiar with, and it just provides a lot of media as well, and it's a great way of integrating other media such as Google Forms, Padlet. You can use it with Mentimeter. Anything that has a link, you can send it to, and they can just do it on their phone as well. All right, great. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and yeah, take care.